It's that time to share with you my monthly favorites. So these are my favorites for the month of June. Before we get started, welcome if you're new. My name is Jenz Beautystyle, and let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start with the makeup products, and then I will move on to some other favorites. What I have here is this from MAC. This is a lip gloss. It is what I have on right now, but I don't have it on alone. I did have a lipstick which I wiped off, and then I put this on top, and this is called Smarty Pants from MAC, and it's just like a beautiful gold with a little bit of glitter. It just looks so shiny and nice, and I did get it on sale when I got my Aladdin lipstick and my Electric Wonders lipstick that I reviewed. I've been using again this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I love this. Like, the color is so perfect for me. I haven't used it in a while because I buy several foundations to review and they just like in the bottom of my drawer and I forget. But I just love this color so much. This is in the color F2. I love it, especially like now for summer. I think I'm going to do a tutorial using this just so you can see what it looks on. I also have to mention my sponge. You know, this is my Ride or Die sponge. Actually, I thought they didn't sell it anymore, but I think they still do. I usually get mine like in Marshalls or TJ Maxx. This is the diamond sponge. I love it so much. It's so soft. I just die for it. And the point, I love it for my concealer, and this part I use it to apply my foundation. It's just the best sponge I've ever used. Just as soft. If you've ever tried the Fenty Beauty one, that's a really soft sponge. I have this highlighter here. This is by Luna, and this is in the shade Electra. This is a baked highlighter. It's really beautiful. I actually used it today on the lid because I wanted something really light since I was doing a mascara review. Probably already saw this if you saw my highlighter declutter collection, but this is really good. And I said on that video that I had to use this more because it's truly gorgeous. I got to try this because of my Ipsy subscription. And I have this mascara. You probably saw the review that I did for it. Completely obsessed. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara in waterproof. The wand is beautiful. I think this was new, or they came out with it again in the waterproof version. The brush is just perfection. The length that it gives is just out of this world. Like, even if you have the smallest lashes, it's gonna give you this length that's like, oh my god. I have here this eyeliner, which I also did a demo on. This is from Ico. I also got it from an Ipsy bag, and I didn't like it too much at first, but I kept using it, and actually it is what I have on today. I just love it. It's smudge proof, is waterproof, is long lasting. The tip is just so thin, but you can make that eyeliner as thick or as thin as you like. So smooth, even like when you get to the area of the wing, it's super smooth. I'm also loving again this from Benefit, the GimMe Brow. I don't even know if they still sell it like this in the GimMe Brow or they changed the packaging. I don't know, but I had bought several of these. I just barely use it. I just do my pomade from Anastasia, and I don't do this. But sometimes I really do need the help, like when I do my pomade, just to like set the brows a little more. I have to mention this palette because seriously, for the price, this is amazing. And I did do a full video of e.l.f. makeup, like a full face of e.l.f. makeup, and I picked this up and I'm just in love. This is in the new classics. They have several different palettes, maybe 3. I do want to pick up more, but the pigmentation of these is just wow. I did use this today as well, though my eye look is very toned down because I was doing a lot of like eye product reviews. So in order for you to see it properly, tutorial using this shade, oh my god, it's just so gorgeous. The quality is just beautiful. I mentioned these lashes. You know, I usually have a favorite lash like every month. It's usually been the ones from Eyelure. Recently been obsessed with these from Kiss. These are, I don't remember if I mentioned it on last month's, but if I did, it's because I'm loving them that much. These are the Jubilee Lashes. They're so good. They're super lightweight, and I think that's why I love them so much, and the style is just really good, and it comes like in a multi-pack. That's what I love because you really save so much when they come in this multi-pack. You just have to know if you're gonna like them or not. I took the chance and I was lucky enough that I ended up liking the style. Moving on to other products, I have this here from Cinema Secrets. This is the best makeup brush cleaner that I've ever used. What I love about this is that it's so quick to use, literally, and you don't have to rinse. That's my favorite part. If you were using black eyeshadow and you really have to get rid of it completely, this is gonna get rid of all the bacteria too. This is a rinse-free formula, quick drying, and it is. It's not like, oh my god, I need to clean my brushes, but I can't wait like 3 hours or 4 for them to dry. This is, oh my god, I can't rave about this enough. To mention this here from Bath and Body Works because it's the summer. I am obsessed with this scent. This is the Sunset Guava Colada, and I need to spray some on. Oh, this just smells so good. It's not like too much, like too sweet. I did just do a Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale haul if you want to see the things that I got. I love this so much. You have to mention this. I don't know if I mentioned it in my other monthly favorites, but since it's summer and I can't tan at all, I literally can't, I like to use this every once in a while, and it is the Isle of Paradise Sun Tanning Water. It is so easy for me to use. I've used sprays, I've used mousses, and this is definitely like my favorite that I have tried. They do have the same brand, but in other forms. If you like a mousse better with color guard, this doesn't have a color guard, so you could like spray this and go out. You just have to make sure like that you're not getting wet or sweating, and it does develop like in, is it 6 to 8 hours or 4 to 6 hours? Actually go for the darker because it's not dark enough for me. Like, you could barely notice that I did anything with one use. So I would say I would go for the purple one, which is the darkest. This here from Tarte, and this is the acne spot treatment that I reviewed, and I was so scared to use it because I thought it was gonna break me out because of some of the ingredients, but actually it didn't, and I like it. And I'm about to run out of the one from Mario Badescu, and this one has been great. It's just not the best color. I mean, it's an acne spot treatment, so it's not like you're really gonna go out when you're using this, but me, it just smells like Scope, or I don't know. It's okay, but the bottle is definitely very cute. It's help with my acne to like dry it out. It's really good, and it's the Treat Yo Selfie Sugar Rush Drying Lotion from Tarte. Let me know, what have you been loving this month? So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.